In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how to share your computer screen on Restream. So go to your Restream, and after signing into your account, you get this interface. Let's click on New Stream, and here you can select Restream Studio. You can select Encoder if you're using OBS, or you can select video or playlist for pre-recorded video live stream. So in my case, I'm selecting here Restream Studio. And here you can change your stream name, and you can change your stream title from here. Then just click on Enter Studio. Okay, once you successfully joined in a stream, click on this channels option and click on add channels, and from this list go ahead and add those channels where you want to add or start a live stream. So I've already added my channels here. So in my case, I'm just turning on Twitch because I want to screen share my on my Twitch account, and then I'm clicking on this close button, and now click on this share screen option, or you can just press H key on your keyboard, and here you can select Chrome tab, and then from here you can select a specific Chrome tab to share, or you can select entire screen, or you can go to window, and from window you can just go ahead and select a specific window that I want to share and click on share. And as you can see, the screen successfully added to my Restream. Now to change your layout, here you get bunch of different layout. You can select spotlight, you can select show time, you can select contain, you can select cover, you can select half screen, you can select picture in picture mode, just like this. So in my case, I'm selecting here spotlight, so my entire screen will be shared. Now just clicking on go live. Once the live stream successfully started, I'm going to my Twitch account and going to my stream manager, and as you can see, I've successfully started to stream on my Twitch and sharing my computer screen. So that's how you can actually do it. Thanks for watching.